with another video. I never know how to intro this crap, so. Okay, so the other night I was watching a video, I think I was watching one of Brandon's videos on detailing, and I noticed he had a tool that looked a lot easier than the wheel woolly that I have. I love my Adams polishes wheel woolly, I really do, but sometimes it's kind of hard to get behind the brake calipers and the brakes themselves, especially on the front side because the brakes are slightly bigger. I decided to pull the trigger on another wheel product, kind of going almost a little bit overboard with these wheel products, but I figure you can't have too many, right? I'm gonna go ahead and open it, show you what it is and how it's gonna be advantageous to me. I might actually wash my wheels tonight. It snowed yesterday for our first snow all year. Very happy about that. I love the snow. So my car is not really that dirty visibly, like to the naked eye, but whenever I get up close to it and look, it is pretty dirty. So I kind of do want to wash the wheels because I didn't get to wash them when I washed the car last because it was so cold, but actually it's going to get warmer tomorrow and the next day. So I may wait and wash them tomorrow, but I definitely want to show you guys what I got because it's going to make cleaning my wheels that much easier, which obviously I love. I did not get the same one that he uses just because I found one for a little bit cheaper. Shipping was cheaper, and also I like this company a lot, so I gave him some more of my money. All right, so here is what I got. Got an invoice. One company that always sends invoices. Good job, Chemical Guys. So here's what I got. I got a Show Car Premium Detailing Brush. I thought, God, that'd make cleaning my wheels that much easier because the wheel woolly only does so much. It's about that long. You can't really bend it or anything like that, manipulate it. But with this thing, you absolutely can. Like I literally just didn't even have to undo the box for that. This thing's gonna be able to get in between the brake calipers. So now when I'm just washing it with the wheel woolly, you get the whole wheel and then you have to either pull up or reverse slightly to make the caliper change where it hits on the wheel or where the wheel stops by the caliper. And then you get that area. With this, I do not have to do that. The fattest part of this entire brush, if you look right here, is that. I'm gonna take it outside right now. I'm gonna show you kind of how it's done. Obviously it's not gonna be wet or anything like that. It's not gonna destroy my wheel, and I'll do it for the sake of doing this, but I'm really excited about this. It's gonna make washing my car that much easier. This actually reminds me of a baby bottle cleaner. I don't know how many baby bottles you've cleaned in your life. I've never cleaned one, but I've seen people clean baby bottles and they use something that looks exactly like this, except it's about that tall. I don't really wanna open my garage door because like I said, it's freaking freezing outside and I'm right by where the garage door is. So I'm gonna show you real fast. Actually, I'll move up here to the front since the front brakes are visibly bigger than the back. And I'm gonna show you how much easier this is gonna make cleaning my wheels. So first off, this is the new brush, but it's gonna make it to where I literally do not have to move my car at all to clean behind the brake caliper. I will show you, I'll go get the wheel woolly right now and I'll show you the difference. That's gonna make it so much easier. So cleaning here, I could even clean here if I wanted, which I'm not going to because I have a different brush for that. That's going to make it 10 times easier. But this was the most important thing, not having to move my car at all to get in there. Okay, so here's the wheel woolly. Like I said, I'm super satisfied with it. I like it a lot. It does what it needs to do. However, there's no bending or manipulating it. So this is about all of the angle that you get with it. Cleans really well. Whenever it comes to on the sides of the brakes or anything like that, there's no getting it in there. I don't know if the smaller wheel woolly would fit, but this one absolutely no. There's no way. So you have to either move the car forward or move the car back to get this little area clean. But comparatively speaking, with this, you absolutely do not have to do that. So really psyched to have this in my cabinet. And comparing the two, I will definitely still use this because I mean, it just does a really good job. I like it a lot. Or I may end up giving it to my brother or something like that. But for the time being, I really like it. I can imagine, since these are all bristles, this probably won't maybe get everything, and I may need to use this as well. But in terms of cleaning the entire wheel, this is gonna do the best job because it fits in every little space. There's no space that it cannot fit. So really excited about that. So if you guys are having issues with fitting any kind of tool or any kind of brush behind your caliper or your brake, I would definitely suggest a brush of this sort. You don't have to get Chemical Guys, but Chemical Guys was the most price competitive that I found. And I'm talking about shipping included. They have a $2.50 flat rate shipping regardless of what you buy. So that is excellent. I imagine other companies make them exactly like this. But like I said, I like Chemical Guys. I haven't had a problem with it yet. So I will give them my money as long as I want to keep buying stuff like this. Thanks for watching.